Union Home Minister Amit Shah has lashed out at opposition parties over their protest against the recently proposed 130th Constitution Amendment Bill. In an interview with the news agency, Shah termed the protest by the opposition as undemocratic. In a no-holds-barred attack, the Home Minister alleged that opposition leaders are trying to form and run the government even while being in jail. Shah pointed out that it was Prime Minister Narendra Modi who personally insisted on including the office of the Prime Minister under the provisions of the bill, which also allows reinstatement after bail.
गंभीर आरोप की व्याख्या किसी भी केस में हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट को जमानत देने का अधिकार है। अगर जमानत नहीं मिलती है तो आपको पद छोड़ना पड़ेगा। मैं एएनआई के माध्यम से देश की जनता को और पूरे विपक्ष को भी पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या कोई मुख्यमंत्री, कोई प्रधानमंत्री या कोई मंत्री जेल में रहकर सरकार चला सकता है क्या? इस देश के लोकतंत्र के लिए शोभा रूप है क्या?
Introduced by Amit Shah in the Lok Sabha during the monsoon session, the Constitution Bill 2025 proposes the removal of any central or state minister, including the Prime Minister or Chief Minister, if they are arrested and held in custody for at least 30 days on charges of corruption or serious criminal offences. Shah also backed the NDA's decision to name Maharashtra Governor C.P. Radhakrishnan as its vice presidential candidate. Shah dismissed the speculations that his selection had anything to do with the BJP trying to curry favours in Tamil Nadu ahead of the 2026 assembly elections, saying it was only natural for the post to be occupied by someone from South India.
उपराष्ट्रपति का प्रत्याशी दक्षिण से आना इसलिए स्वाभाविक है क्योंकि पूर्व से राष्ट्रपति थी, पश्चिम और उत्तर से प्रधानमंत्री जी थे, तो दक्षिण से आना बड़ा स्वाभाविक है। अब आए हैं, इसको इस दृष्टि से नहीं देखना चाहिए। श्री राधाकृष्णन जिनका बहुत लंबा राजनीतिक जीवन रहा है, वो 2 बार संसद के सदस्य रहे, हमारी पार्टी के अध्यक्ष रहे, झारखंड के गवर्नर रहे, तेलंगाना के गवर्नर रहे, पांडिचेरी के गवर्नर रहे, मुंबई के गवर्नर रहे और सार्वजनिक जीवन में एक साफ सुथरा उनका जीवन है।
And when asked about the opposition's charge about Dhankar being silenced and placed under house arrest, Amit Shah said that Dhankar resigned due to personal health reasons and one should not deliberate much on the issue. Amit Shah's remark on Dhankar stepping down as VP comes days ahead of the Vice President post scheduled for September 9th.
Honorable members,